name is Anne, and I'd like to share my experiences with Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon. I met with one of your associates, and I found her to be so empathetic, listening to everything that I said, trying to determine whether it was useful to proceed with any kind of action at all. This was a person that I could trust. I didn't feel that she was pushing me into doing anything. She listened really carefully to what I had to say, and often she would say, "You are my priority. This is what I recommend. I'll only do this if you're comfortable with it." I don't know anything about legal processes. I'm not a lawyer, and I've never been involved in any kind of a legal action like this. So it was really important to me that the firm and the associate who was working with me be posted all along the way, and not only told me what was happening, but why it was happening. I would refer my friends and family, and I actually have already done that with one of my friends. And I did say the same thing to my friend that the attorney said to me, that it's a long process and you have to be patient, but you move along the way and things do get accomplished. The attorney was really careful to say that to me. And I think that soothes you and makes you realize that the legal system is not easy, it's complex. And you do need somebody who understands how to navigate it. And that is what I felt I was getting from this firm.